you see the manatee playing with me? Here comes another one. Oh, look at that one. Really, baby. Whoa. Wow, did you see that? He rolled right in front of me. So beautiful. Here comes a big one. I want to go under. I've always wanted to swim with manatees. I will follow the rules though. No touching, no chasing, and keep some distance. I don't want to harass the manatees. They're so sweet and gentle and lovely. Look at that tail. That tail can help them go fast. They're swimming slow now, but they're powerful. Manatees love to stay together, just like a family. Thank you guys for letting me swim with you. That was an amazing swim. Please remember, if you ever get to swim with manatees, follow the rules. Keep your distance, no chasing, and no touching. You don't want to harass the manatees. That's it for the manatee videos. The next time you see me, we'll be zip lining through Honduras. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.